down to the depths of the lingering cold. When she touched me, I turned into much more. She got fingers of gold. Might as well show the love that burns bright as hell. On the outside, outshine the sun like a laser gun. My problem isn't self-awareness, it's my mind. I miss wondering where it is, but it's somewhere else. I just wasn't aware of this. Was looking for it all the while. There it is, stuck in place, full of face. I gotta face the harsh reality. Get too high, I lose the melody. Before I even have a try, I gotta be preoccupied. To distract from the vacuum inside, explore the cold documented eyes. Wondering if I see a darker body or chameleon in disguise. Turn the dirt inside the apple into smoke. When it starts to rain one Sunday, I'll be smoking water out the sky. Behind the waterfalls, there's wonderful things. I want them all near this bird that's colorful sing. Even if it was a fortress for solid walls, the fortune would be worth all things that could be thrown at us. I'd even solve the riddle of a swing. In the middle of it all, I see my life flash before my eyes in real time. And when it's over, I've got up finally with the present of death given to me as a gift. At 15 when my mother went to the other end so swiftly, and at 12 when my father went, because he'd rather end it himself. At 12 back in the halcyon days, I'd feel safe. It's hell these days, the harsh reality. It's always right behind trying to envelop me. Wish I could show you what I've made, but there's a question that remains. If you had never gone away, would there even have been creations? Wondering if they would have been much better. It doesn't matter if you just stayed. Though this non-belief I grapple with, I hope that in some way we can reunite, and hoping what I'll find is fate. Behind the waterfalls, there's wonderful things. I want them all. Hear this bird that's colorful sing. Even if it was a fortress with solid walls, the fortune would be worth all things that could be thrown at us. I'd even solve the riddle of a swing. Behind the waterfalls, there's wonderful things. I want them all, and hear these birds that's colorful sing. Even if it was a fortress with solid walls, the fortune would be worth all things that could be thrown at us. I'd even solve the riddle of a sphinx. Behind the waterfalls, there's wonderful things. I want them all. Hear this bird that's colorful sing. Even if it was a fortress with solid walls, the fortune would be worth all things that could be thrown at us. I'd even solve the riddle of a sphinx. I'd even solve the riddle of a wave of optimism overcomes me right in the brainwaves. And if I know what's real, one side is mine. If I go a little farther out on this extraterrestrial sea of thought, I get so reckless in my ecstasy that I got to remind myself of my origin. Always reinventing ourselves, seriously, there's something till I feel out of place, run out of space. Behind the waterfalls, there's wonderful things. I want them all. Near this bird that's colorful sing. Even if it was a fortress with solid walls, the fortune would be worth all things that could be thrown at us. I'd even solve the riddle of a sphinx. I'd even solve the riddle of a